How much does it cost to post a job on Indeed? Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you're going to understand the true cost of hiring on Indeed in 2026. So, first, the platform operates on a flexible model that ranges from completely free to a high performance investment depending on how fast you need to find talent. So, you can still start with a free job post. So, as you can see here, I have a job that has the free label right here. So this one is a free job. I'm going to hit on it and you'll be able to see here that I can edit the job. And then from the sponsor page, we can just click on save changes right there. And then as you can see here, it is now ready to post and it doesn't ask me like any kind of sponsorships. Like you can see here that it is an optional sponsorship. So most direct employers are allowed up to 3 free postings per month. These stay active for 30 days and provide you with essential tools like candidate messaging and like basic analytics. The downside though is the visibility, of course. Free posts tend to like get pushed down in search results within a few days as new jobs are added to the site. So if you need more eyes on your role, you have to move into the sponsored jobs. Now, for some people, sponsorships or like sponsored jobs aren't optional. Like you can see here, and I have another job posting that is required to like have a sponsorship. I'm going to click on it and it will take us to the page where we will have to edit it. So I'm just going to tap on the sponsor job right here, and you can see here that I need to have it sponsored. So you can see that this job needs to be sponsored to show up in search results. So I can only either save and continue with a plan or close this job. Now, this follows a result based model where you only pay for actual engagement. You can choose to pay per click or pay only when a candidate starts an application. While budget can technically start as low as $2 or like $4 right here. Many competitive industries now require a minimum of $25 daily to remain competitive in search results. For businesses that are always hiring, there are subscription tiers. The standard plans right here start at around $4 daily average, while professional plans can reach up to $8 daily average. Now, premium sponsored posts can average between you know, $8, like I said, and these higher options give you the urgently hiring label and use AI matching to help you find candidates significantly faster. Now, you also have here your custom budget option, wherein you can set the budget. Like maybe you want to like go lower than this. You can set it up to $2 only, and you cannot go any lower than this. And then you can also set the daily average. But of course, the per month average will be a little bit higher than this. Now, in short, you can start with a free option if your timeline is relaxed. If you have a critical role to fill, set a daily budget that fits your comfort level. Since you can pause or stop your spending at any time, you maintain total control over your recruitment costs. And that's it. That is how much posting a job on Indeed costs. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.